You have heard these words a lot of times in disguises. Trust yourself, believe yourself, or when life gives you lemon, make lemonades. But do consider that self-confidence is a word that you never learned meaning of. The word self represents you and confidence represents doubtless belief. If I never knew what my meaning of words were, then I was literally ready to just use ChatGPT for this video, write down the main points, tell you guys whatever the AI says and go ahead with my day. Well, that's not the case. The case is, I know what I'm saying. Have you ever heard small creators talk like me? The reason I talk this way is because that inshallah whatever I'm saying will not be wrong on me. Before going ahead, I would really love if you guys would subscribe to this channel and buy my journals in the description section. I'm noticing that you are not subscribing. Please subscribe so that this channel can grow and reach to more amazing viewers just like yourself. So thank you dreamers, and let's move on. The thing is that I'm going to be telling you about these steps that no one ever mentions. Always remember, small people at small levels know what real average small people need. We are helpers to each other. I'm spreading my knowledge through this. I have mastered this skill and I'm going to be telling all nick to toe everything. And you might even say that I have copied it or this or that. But remember, I have copied the wording because I cannot express the words in the correct way possible. But I can use other people's words or comments to just express my message so that you can learn and you can grow with me. Point number 1. Remember, you are the main character of your own life and everyone else are the actors in your life. If you are self-conscious on extreme level like, oh no, I stained my shirt and everyone is going to be making fun of me, think again. If you give them the power to judge you, remember, why the hell you were the main character in the first place? Point number 2. No negative self-talk. Question. Would you ever be standing in front of someone who is talking really shitty about you in front of you? Never. Or either you will be softly sliding away from the situation or you will be standing up for yourself and or strongly disagree with him. So why you yourself should be allowed to talk shitty about yourself? Always remember, it's you against you, not you against others. Point number 3. Mistakes should be taken as a chance to learn something new. I learned this lesson when I was peeling an apple. Yes, an apple. The apple taught me a life lesson worth living upon. The lesson is that me and my sister were having a competition side by side of peeling the apple in the technique who will peel it the fastest. So my sister was using different kind of techniques and she was going so swiftly around the apple and the apple was cutting so smoothly that I was so jealous. But I was so closed-minded that I didn't want to leave my skill and adapt a new one. I just started doing it really fastly, like really speedily, which ended up getting my fingernail in it, in the cutter, and then I just cut off my own fingertip. So this was really traumatic for me. So I stopped peeling apples for like 3 years. It is not a joke. That apples were like a fear for me. But in the previous days, I started again and I learned from my mother that peeling the fastest is not the solution. She explained me how this apple thingy have taught you a lesson. Like I was learning the lesson, but she taught me that even if it's peeling apples or doing anything in life, if you make a mistake, go ahead and learn from it. Not be so scared and run away from it that you never come back and face the real fear. Please stand up for yourself. Face your fear and take mistakes as the chances to learn something new. Point number 4. Never be that self-conscious that you forget how to walk. The thing is, we all have been walking normally on our 2 foot like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, so on. To add more, now we have mastered this skill from the age of 3 or 2. Comment down below at what age did you start walking. So the skill is like the baby skill that you have learned in your past and you're sticking with it, you are great at it, you walk. Now the matter is, some people get so nervous around people that they sometimes forget how to walk. Self-confidence starts at the point in which you learn to control your nerves in situations where people are staring at you. If you let them judge very harshly, then you are going to be putting yourself in danger in front of them, or putting yourself as a show for them to judge. This phenomenon is known as the spotlight effect. It means when every eye is on you and you are the one who is being judged really harshly. My dear dreamers, this is not true at all. Tell me one thing in the comments. Would you stop while walking to look at a person who has walked beside you and would literally stop in the way and start judging them? No, never. Point number 1. Most people aren't thinking of you. And point number 2, if they are thinking of you, then they are not worth impressing. You get the point. Now, point number 5, last. Always practice these 3 small steps every day. Practice positive self-talk. Always set realistic goals for yourself to achieve in a day, so that you do not drain yourself out of high expectations, And lastly, adhere to your strengths. Now I have mentioned all of this and all of the points are covered about the journal. Yes, I have made the journal, which is carefully curated by me and is going to be linked in the description. It will be in my Patreon, it will be on my Etsy, inshallah, and you can buy from there. And it is only $3 to $5 maybe, because I'm going to be setting prices for them and taxes will be applied on me, so I'm in a really hard situation. I cannot control the prices, so do bear with me on this. But I really would appreciate your feedback, because your feedback will help me learn from my mistakes as well, so that I can entertain you more properly in the future. So more journals will be coming up from my side, and I really hope you will like it. Every feedback will get good, beautiful wallpapers from me, like this one in the background, and other wallpapers which I have used recently in my videos. So I really hope that you have liked this video, and do share in the comments if you have learned something new. And do follow these steps, make feedbacks, tag me, and say it out loud. I have learned these steps and mastered it. Keep growing, dreamers, and I'll see you next time, inshallah. See ya.